W.2 Central angles and arc measures. So all of these, look at where all the angles are starting from. They're starting from the center, and that's called a central angle. And so what we're going to do, if you have a central angle, and all of these are, and you know how wide the central angle is, the resulting arc is that wide too. So those are all 110 degrees. Now this is asking for the measure of angle EDG. Now where is EDG? We go from E to D to G. So I want to know how big this is. So if we go from 110 and this and this and this, what did we make? We made a circle. And how many degrees is in a circle? 360. Well, I already know that this is 110 and this is 110, so both of those together is 220. So if I take 220 away from 360, I get 140, and 140 is the measure of angle EDG. The measure of arc IK. So where's IK? So we want to know how big this circular part, how wide the circular part is. So if this is 150 and this is 110, 150 plus 110 is 260. If I go all the way around, I've made a full circle, and a full circle is 360. So I'm going to take the 260 that we already know away from the 360, and the other arc that we don't know is 100. The measure of angle URV, from U to R to V. So we're looking for that. So I'm going to add 110 and 65. And get 175 plus 75 is 250. So 360, which is the rest of it, minus 250 is 110. Okay, we want X. All of these added together is 360. So 13x plus 55 plus 8x plus 74 is supposed to equal 360. These are like terms. So 21x plus 129 equals 360. $360 minus 129. I don't have a pause. 231 divided by 21. X is 11. Just a second, don't listen to anything I say.
I can talk to you later.
I've lost my pause button. Just like what we just got finished doing, all of these added together makes the circle. So x plus 83 plus x plus 38 plus x plus 44 get you 360. 1x, 2x, 3x. So 3x plus 83 plus 38 plus 44. 165. Subtract the 165. Divide by 3. 65. Same thing. I'm going to see if I can get some better render out. 90 plus 96 plus x plus 33 plus 2x equals 360. X plus 90 plus 96 plus 33 is 219. Subtract the 219. Is 144 or 141. X is 141. Now on these, they are highlighted. The reason they're highlighted, it doesn't ask for X, it asks for the measure of angle RPS. We want to know how much is, well, how much is this? Not just what X is. I do need to find what X is, but then again. So we're going to do exactly what we've just been doing. So 7x minus 21 plus x plus 91 plus 4x plus 14 equals 360. We're going to add our like terms together. So that would be 12x. Negative 21 plus 91 plus 14 is 84. Subtract the 84. Divide by 12. X is 23. 23 is not the answer because it doesn't ask what X is. But we need to define what X is to plug the 23 in for this angle right here. So 23 times 4 plus 14 is 106. Same thing with this one. So we have 2x minus 20 plus x plus 35 plus 2x equals 360. 2, 4, 5x plus 15 equals 360. Subtract the 15. Divide by 5. Is 69. X is 69, but we want the measure of arc ST. We want this right here. And this right here is 2x. So if it is 2x, and I know that x is 69, we're going to multiply 69 by 2 and get 38. I have lost my pause button, my stop button. I am finished with this lesson, so it's going to run for the rest of the 15 minutes because I can't find it on this computer anywhere. So just stop and start working on YouTube.